Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, extradition requests are being prepared for 3 of 4 additional suspects in the multi-million-dollar fraud case at the Institute of Sports.
Now, this was revealed in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court today when the former financial controller at Insports, Andrew Wright, and his co-accused, Rudolph Barnes, O'Neill Hope, Andrea Picton and Janique Mills made their first appearance.
Now we have more in this report from Raquel Porter.
Attorneys representing the accused appeared prepared to make a case for bail for their clients. However, things did not go as planned after the clerk of court informed the judge that the Crown Counsel assigned to the case will not be in court and had requested an adjournment till next Wednesday. And although the case file is complete, the clerk said the investigating officer is requesting additional time to locate 4 suspects. The process has begun for the extradition of 3 of them who live overseas, while the 4th is being sought locally. Attorney representing O'Neill Hope, Seymour Stewart, was livid. He described the attempt to have the matter adjourned as disgraceful. However, Senior Parish Court Judge Paula Blake Powell explained that even if the court were to consider the applications based on the 18-page court list, she would not be able to. Mr. Stewart pressed for the bail application to be heard Monday, but the judge, however, stood her ground. We spoke with him after the hearing.
That's a travesty of justice. In my view, this amounts to the DPP trying to take over the functions of the judiciary. They were not ready. It's obvious. They were not ready to prosecute this matter today. And they sent a message to the court that they will not be ready until Wednesday next, after 13 years. Now, how is that fair to the citizen? How is that fair? The judge, the application for bail can't be heard because, how does someone's bail be dependent upon one lawyer not being available? I mean, that's a part of it I can't understand.
Earlier in the proceedings, it was revealed that the Industrial Disputes Tribunal had handed down a $2.7 million award to O'Neill Hope for wrongful dismissal. Former financial controller at Insports, Andrew Wright, had filed a similar claim. They are accused of being part of a team of current and former Insports employees who wrote, signed, and cashed fraudulent checks for payees who were neither employed nor contracted to the agency. Mr. Wright, Rudolph Barnes, O'Neill Hope, Andrea Picton, and Janique Mills are charged with conspiracy to defraud, acquisition, use and possession of criminal property, engaging in transactions involving criminal property, and larceny as a servant. The alleged fraudulent scheme spanned the period 2010 to 2017, according to the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency. The accused were remanded until April 26. Raquel Porter, TVJ News.